Breaking news coming in. This is Rahul Gandhi, who has now issued his first direct response to the Prime Minister's multiple attacks on him and the Congress party over the wealth distribution row, and said that the X-ray survey he wants to do, he has attempted to explain. Listen into what Rahul had to say.
जैसे ही मैंने एक्सरे का शब्द प्रयोग किया, मैंने सिर्फ यह कहा कि टेस्ट करते हैं अन्याय कितना है। सारे के सारे खड़े हो गए। देश को तोड़ने की कोशिश हो रही है, देश को बांटने की कोशिश हो रही है। एक्सरे से क्या बटेगा, कैसे बटेगा? एक्सरे से सिर्फ 90% को यह पता लगेगा कि उनकी भागीदारी कितनी है। अब सारे के सारे देशभक्तों को ये अच्छा लगना चाहिए। देशभक्त क्या चाहता है? देशभक्त देश में न्याय चाहता है।
All right, Pragya continues to be live with us. Pragya, we heard the reaction as far as Rahul is concerned. He has responded to that X-ray survey comment which the Prime Minister has been making. But this has all come in the backdrop of what Sam Pitroda has had to say. Certainly, the Congress seems to be in damage control mode. They also realize the impact it could have on middle-class voters.
Certain that this is going to be used by BJP to reach out to the voters to say that if and when at all Congress is not committed, the policies there is that they will take your wealth and distribute to other people. And who are these other people? Prime Minister made it clear that these are Muslim, coming from Muslim population, but also those who are special ones and favored ones by the Congress. He called them infiltrators also. So this is for sure that Sam Pitroda has given them a weapon, an issue on the platter, that they are gonna use it throughout against the Congress. But it also speaks of volumes about Congress leadership. There seems to be confusion within the Congress at all. They don't know whether they want to own up to the liberalization, globalization policies initiated by their own former prime ministers, or they want to go the socialist way. Remember when Prime Minister said that their manifesto, it seems like it has been written, either by the extremist forces or by the leftists. This is why Prime Minister said that, the kind of socialist path that Rahul Gandhi is talking about when he said that there would be a policy in place for the redistribution of wealth. Right. That BJP has raised up now.
Rahul Gandhi finally has broken his silence, but the damage is done, many would say. And the senior leaders of the Congress party are hitting out at the BJP, saying in the manifesto nowhere are we talking about benefiting the minorities, especially Muslim. Nowhere are we talking about redistribution. But on ground, while campaigning, their own netas are talking about redistribution, something that has been picked up by the BJP. And for the BJP, at least, this comment from Sam Pitroda couldn't have come at a better time.
You're absolutely right. Whether they don't have the detailed thing about Muslims and everything in their manifesto, Rahul Gandhi's speeches made it clear that he is talking about redistribution of wealth. Right. He is saying that there is a policy in place.
Let me interrupt you there for a while. Let's quickly play out Rahul Gandhi's reaction, and he says that Prime Minister is panicking. Let's listen.
मैनिफेस्टो आपको अच्छा लगा? आपने देखा होगा कि प्रधानमंत्री पैनिक कर गए हैं। हाँ, बिल्कुल हिल गए, घबरा गए। क्रांतिकारी मैनिफेस्टो है। मैनिफेस्टो आपको अच्छा लगा? आपने देखा होगा कि प्रधानमंत्री पैनिक कर गए हैं। हाँ, बिल्कुल हिल गए, घबरा गए। क्रांतिकारी मैनिफेस्टो है। मैनिफेस्टो आपको अच्छा लगा?